Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The most common reasons are that the card hasn't been activated, the cashier is running the wrong type of transaction, the dollar amount being charged is greater than the card's balance, or the credit card processing machine is bumping up the charge amount to either place a hold on the card or to allow for a gratuity.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
There is no way to activate a stolen gift card since it must be activated at checkout, a way to deter people from taking them. The gift card is activated for $10 and then the employee goes to. In the scam, criminals remove security tape from the back of the gift.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
How do I use my Visa gift card online? You can use your card for online purchases by entering the card number, expiry date and the 3-digit code, CVV, found on the back of the card. Occasionally websites will ask for the name on the card. In these instances simply insert gift card in the field provided.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.